Imagine asking AI to help choose the best job candidate, or approve a bank loan, or help doctors make medical decisions. Now imagine the AI gives unfair results to some people. Why does this happen? The answer is something called AI bias. Today we will understand AI bias in a simple and practical way. Hello everyone, welcome to Riaz Academy. Artificial intelligence is becoming part of our daily lives. It helps us learn, work, shop, communicate, and solve problems. But AI is not always perfectly fair. Sometimes it can produce biased results. In this video, we will understand AI bias in detail. Let us start. AI bias means that AI sometimes gives unfair results. Instead of treating everyone equally, it may favor one group or disadvantage another. This usually happens because AI learns from data created by humans. If the training data contains bias, the AI may also learn that bias. AI does not create opinions by itself. It learns patterns from data. If the data is incomplete, unbalanced, or contains human prejudice, AI may repeat those patterns. In simple words, bad or biased data can lead to biased AI. Imagine a company uses AI to help select new employees. If the AI was trained on unfair or incomplete hiring data, it may unfairly reject some qualified people. This shows why AI should always be used carefully and why important decisions should include human judgment. Although AI bias cannot always be completely eliminated, it can be reduced. Developers can use better and more diverse data. AI systems should be regularly tested for fairness. Human experts should review important AI decisions. And most importantly, people should never blindly trust AI. AI is increasingly used in education, healthcare, banking, and many other fields. If AI is unfair, its decisions may affect people's lives. That is why responsible AI development is becoming more important every year. AI is a powerful tool, but fairness, ethics, and human judgment are still essential. The goal is not only to build intelligent AI, but also to build responsible AI. Remember, understanding AI bias helps us become smarter and more responsible users of artificial intelligence. Thank you for watching. If you found this video useful, please like, share, and subscribe to Riaz Academy. Keep learning, keep improving, and keep building the future. Goodbye.